We are here to announce neutralization of a very important terrorist who had been operating for last few years in Kashmir, particularly in South Kashmir. Somewhere on 27th, we had launched an operation into the dense forest and upper reaches of Dashigam based on a human intelligence developed by JKP and Jammu and Kashmir police, along with this human asset, had led us, the Rashtriya Rifle Forces of Victor Force, to the exact site where this so-called terrorist was hiding. As you are well aware, the weather was pretty inclement and they had to close in with pure caution. The importance of neutralizing, killing off Saifullah alias Lambu is twofold. Firstly, it brings closure to Pulwama incident, which happened in Feb 2019, because he was one of the mastermind for having trained a local boy, a local youth, Adil, who eventually blew himself up in an ID attack.
एक्सीडेंट में इन्वॉल्व रहा है। मैं इसका हिस्ट्री बताना चाहूँगा कि जनवरी 2017 में यह सकरगा सेक्टर से कश्मीर वैली में इन्फिल्ट्रेट किया था और तब से यह साउथ कश्मीर में काफ़ी एक्टिव रहा है। बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट में इन्वॉल्व रहा है। अभी तक इसके खिलाफ 14 FIR केस दर्ज है। सबसे बड़ा अटैक जो पुलवामा का अटैक है 14 फरवरी 2019 को हुआ था, ये उसमें से एक एक्यूज है, मेन एक्यूज बेसिकली है। पुलवामा अटैक में टोटल 19 एक्यूज है, जिसमें से 7 टेररिस्ट अभी तक मारे जा चुके हैं। सैफुल्ला, अदनान या छोटू जो लंबू जो है आज मारा गया है, वो 7वां टेररिस्ट है। इसके अलावा 7 टेररिस्ट को हम लोग अरेस्ट किए हैं और 5 टेररिस्ट अभी भी एब्सकॉन्ड किया हुआ है, जिसको या तो इनकाउंटर में हम लोग न्यूट्रलाइज करेंगे या अरेस्ट कर लेंगे। NIA ने चार्जशीट फाइल किया था, उसमें लंबू को भी नाम है। एज ID एक्सपर्ट ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत थ्रेट रहा है। लास्ट ईयर पुलवामा में हम लोग एक कार को डिटेक्ट किए जो ID लेडन कार था, जिसको बाद में हम लोग डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिए। उसमें फौजी भाई अब्दुल अमर और लंबू दोनों का हाथ था, दोनों ID एक्सपर्ट था। रिसेंटली एक इंसिडेंट हुआ है लास्ट मंथ, जिसमें हमारे एक SPO फयाज को मारा और उसके वाइफ को, उसकी बेटी को 27 जनवरी को। उसमें लंबू का, मैंने उसी टाइम वहाँ से मौके से कहा था जैस का हाथ है, लंबू के इशारे पर इसको मारा गया था। इसमें मैंने एक्यूज रहा है और इसके मारे जाने से
modus operandi, because all my boys have been often facing this character in Pulwama especially. So on the basis of all the background intelligence and the modus operandi of Saifullah, whom generally we call Lambu, we were able to home on to this cluster of Dhok in the higher reaches, and this happened on 27th. As you all are aware, 27th onwards the weather was extremely bad. It has been raining heavily all throughout right till this morning. So the boys deliberately took a very, very circuitous route so that we can totally take a route that can surprise the terrorists. And today morning they had closed on to the area where we were suspecting him to be there. So no sooner have we reached there, the dogs have started barking. I'm sure that these guys would have got alerted. They came out, and before they could come out, they asked the ladies to move out, and thereafter 4 very, very small children. And as soon as these children and ladies have been pushed out, behind them they opened automatic fire. They started lobbing grenades. The idea was that while we will try to save the children and the ladies, they'll try to make good their escape. This has been the modus operandi of Lambu even earlier when we missed him in Parigam. So he did exactly the same thing this time. But since the cordon was very tight and the well-trained and honed-up boys of Victor Force were already there, I would not like to name the units for security reasons. As soon as they have fired, retaliation has been carried out. And I'm very happy to tell you that without even a scratch to any civilian, without any collateral damage to the cattle, both of them were dropped dead within a matter of about 2-3 minutes. Thereafter, the search of the entire area continues as I talk to you. So far, we have recovered M4 with its telescopic sight, which used to be there only with Lambu. That's one giveaway that Lambu is dead. And second, we have also recovered a Glock pistol. For all those who know, Glock is not there with every terrorist here. and we have
about this Taliban. The Taliban is making inroads in Afghanistan, so we will have an impact on this area. So do you see any credibility in this analysis, or as a military strategist, what do you think about it?
देखिए इसके दो पहलू हैं. कई लोग चाहते हैं ये समझना कि क्या तालिबान यहाँ पर आएगा. I will not like to comment upon it. The line which I have also told before is that the situation today is not from 1990 and before. Situation is different, both geostrategically and also locally. The second part is there will be an impact here. It can be positive, it can be negative. We have to see how it is. I think the locals are watching what is happening and they understand that the advantages of such an act may not be good enough. Right?
और टॉप 18 है, 7 और FT पाकिस्तानी, रेस्ट लोकल. 7 only. 7.